Hi everyone, this is Dr. Khalid Arshad from Abid Inamdar Senior College, Azam Campus, Pune. We are in this series of digital marketing lectures. We had multiple lectures on digital marketing, as well as I tried to solve various queries received by students by either comments or by visits to department. And we have understood various concepts of digital marketing. Today is the last lecture of this series, and today we are going to understand MARCOM, that is Marketing Communication Strategy. That is very extremely important lecture we are having today, because this is the lecture, if you properly understand it, you can design communication strategies, you can design advertisement strategies, you can design strategy to capture people, you can design strategy to grab attention of people. So I request all of you to pay attention and have a look on screen.
So dear student, MARCOM simply means Marketing Communication Strategy. In short, we call it MARCOM. In marketing communication, we simply find out ways and try to approach people so that we can have communication with them to market our products or service. We can say MARCOM represents the voice of a company and its brands that enable it to have a dialogue and build relationship with customers or consumers. So what is the difference between MARCOM and marketing? Simply, marketing is the activity set of instruction and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners and society at large. However, MARCOM refers to the individual elements within the entire gamut of marketing. It includes advertising, sales promotion, events, public relations, online, mobile, social media, direct and personal selling. In simple terms, marketing includes MARCOM, or we can simply say in a layman's word that whatever activity is required to deliver the marketing to a consumer, that activities, that communication process is called MARCOM. So MARCOM is a process where, like communication process, there are two parties, senders and receivers. The receivers are our consumers and sender is company's marketing team. In between, we have the similar process which we follow in communication, like encoding, message, decoding and feedback system is there. But main, we have to understand what steps we take in MARCOM. So first, we have identifying the target audience. Who are our target audience? That is the main thing we have to define. For example, if you are targeting college students, you have to define criteria so that you can approach college student, engineering college student, age group, gender, all that capability, all that criteria you have to define by which you can find a group of audience. Then you have to set communication objectives, that what exactly you want from this communication. You just want awareness about your product, or you want to sell directly, or you just want their feedback or their expectations from that communication. All that is your objectives. Then you have to design the communication, like how you will deliver the communication. If you are targeting people of more than 70 years of age, you have to follow different communication strategy than you are targeting students of 18 to 20 years of age. That group uses mobile, and the earlier group above 70 years, they do not use mobile. So communication strategy, communication process, everything changes. Then we have communication channels, which we have to select which communication is suitable for them. According to communication design, that channel is suitable. For example, I told that the age group which uses mobile phone and the age group which doesn't uses mobile phone, in that your channel will be different. Then establish the communication budget, like how much budget you have. If you are getting returns from that campaign, you will decide budget accordingly. And if you are not getting returns, you just have to market your products, you will calculate with different steps. So this is defining budget. Then first thing which we have to identify target audience. In this we create stratas, we create groups of customers, and according to that group we charge. It could be based on geographic region, gender, demographic, number of points are there on which we can create the target audience. It can also be created on the basis of expected returns. Then we have objectives. Then in objective, we may have an objective of increased awareness, build brand loyalty, understand the product, or conviction, that means developing the perception of the product in the minds of target audience that this product is good. For example, if I say XYZ product, mobile of XYZ company and mobile of Apple Incorporation, so automatically a customer will have high impact, high price expectation for Apple, whereas low expectation, low connectivity with XYZ mobile phones. Next is design communication. You have to design communication like in what way we are going to communicate, who should we communicate, and how we are going to communicate in with the target audience. Then we have communication channels which we have to select. Communication channels are based on our expected or target audience, who are our target audience and how we can target. For example, if you are targeting a consumer who is purchasing groceries, you can target retail store owners. You can directly advertise on television, newspapers, via mobile advertisement, via digital marketing channels. But if you are targeting similar thing for a patient who is having disease, in that case you do not follow the similar channel, similar process. Instead you target a doctor. So this is how channel differs, and you have to identify which channel is suitable for your target audiences. Then it could be based on affordability, it could be based on percentage of sales, how much you are getting because of that channel. It may be because of what your competitors using, are you getting any competitive advantage on that channel. And it can be also depends on objective and task method, like setting objective, identifying the task involved, and evaluating the cost for it. Now what are the different features? As I told, that Marcom simply is about communication strategy. So mainly when we are discussing about communication strategy, it is simply what you are doing so that customers or consumers, end users, getting awareness about your product or service, they are getting connected to your product or service. So first thing we do advertisement. Here we have example of Coca-Cola, like they are because of their advertisement, they are present in the market because of their advertisement, their brand value is because of their advertisement budgets. Then sales promotion, how you promote your product. Maybe you can have different types of offers, free sampling, you can have exhibitions. So whatever sales promotion activities you can have, that is also part of Marcom. Then events, what type of events you are doing, online, offline events, meeting customers. Then public relation, how you are maintaining relation with public, like you are having Twitter handle where people can complain, people can contact you, people are getting updates from your side. You are having a point where people are getting connected to you, and you have an strategy where you can get connected to the audiences, to the public. Then we have online and social media. This is the main thing which we are having for Marcom. Here on social media we can fantastically adopt the Marcom strategy, marketing communication strategy, because today everyone is connected with social media. You can simply approach people via social media post, via sharing updates, and people, when they are having entertaining time, when they are having free time, they approach to social media and they can see your messages. There is a large number of strategies you can follow on social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and number of social media, Twitter, including Twitter, are available in the market. Mobile marketing, you can do it, maybe a phone calling, SMS messaging, and different ways. And the last is personal selling, in email marketing and personal selling. In email marketing, we do marketing via emails, maybe email blasting we do, personal to personal email we do, personalized email we can do. Number of email strategies are available, different softwares are available for email marketing. That is also part of digital marketing, which we can have as a Marcom strategy. Then personal selling, directly approaching people and selling our products. Now these are the things which we have to follow when we are discussing about Marcom. I believe you don't have doubt on any of these factors, including public relation, online, social media, mobile marketing, and email marketing.
So I believe all the concepts are clear and you are well equipped with MARCOM strategy. You have properly understood what is marketing communication strategy. There may be doubts student may have, and you have a way to contact me, that is by writing in comment section. And whenever I'll get time, I'll respond your queries by answering either on comment section, or I may call you, or I may make a small video for your doubts and queries. Also, you have an opportunity to approach us in our department, and we will answer all the queries and confusions you have. You can refer our previous question set for studying the same subject according to university pattern. To understand syllabus structure, you have first lecture where you can understand the syllabus and structure of the subject. So student, the queries and the basic concepts according to syllabus are covered in this subject, and I believe this will be extremely useful for you for your upcoming journey to the industry as well as to attempt the examination. So I wish all of you the best of luck, and see you in upcoming series of lecture we may soon we are going to deliver. So thank you so much for paying attention, and have a wonderful time ahead.